In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. If you're managing projects in Asana and need to control access, it's important to ensure that only specific team members can view sensitive information or ongoing work. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your project in Asana, navigate to the Asana dashboard, and find the project you want to secure. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or organization where this project resides. Once you've spotted your project, click on it to open, and you'll be greeted with a familiar layout of tasks, tabs, and all the essentials you've set up. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find the Share button. This button is crucial as it grants you access to the privacy settings we'll be working with. Click on that Share button to open a panel where you can manage permissions and visibility settings for your project. Once you click the Share button, you will see various options for adjusting who can see the project. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a section labeled Privacy Settings. This is what determines the scope of access to your project. Within this section, you'll notice a setting called Private to Project Members. Go ahead and select this option. By choosing Private to Project Members, you ensure that only those who are explicitly added to the project can access it. This is particularly useful when you have tasks or information that shouldn't be available to everyone in your organization. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully made your Asana project private, locking down sensitive information and ensuring only the right eyes have access. Remember, privacy settings in your project not only help maintain confidentiality, but also contribute to efficient project management by narrowing focus to the team members who truly need to collaborate on the tasks at hand. This quick and straightforward method is integral for keeping your work organized and secure. It's worth periodically reviewing these settings, especially when team members join or leave. And with Asana's ever-evolving feature set, always be on the lookout for new enhancements that may provide even more refined control over your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to manage your projects with greater security and clarity. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Thank you for watching and happy organizing with Asana.